Welcome to Homedecore USA. Today, we're exploring the latest trends in main gate designs for 2025. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your exterior, a stylish main gate is the perfect way to make a statement. Let's dive into some incredible ideas. Segment 1: Modern Minimalist Gates. First up, modern minimalist designs are taking over in 2025. Think sleek metal gates with clean lines and neutral tones like black, gray, and white. These designs are perfect for contemporary homes, offering both style and functionality. Segment 2: Wooden and Metallic Combinations. Next, wooden and metallic combinations are in high demand. Pairing natural wood with metal frames creates a warm yet modern look. You can customize the design with horizontal or vertical slats, adding elegance and privacy to your entrance. Segment 3: Automated Gates. Automation is the future. Smart gates equipped with keyless entry systems and sensors are not only convenient but also secure. These designs often come with stylish finishes, blending technology with aesthetics effortlessly. Segment 4: Ornamental and Custom Designs. For a timeless touch, ornamental gates are making a comeback. Intricate patterns, floral motifs, and vintage-inspired designs add a classic appeal. Personalize your gate with monograms or logos to make it uniquely yours. Segment 5: Glass-infused Gates. A new trend this year is glass-infused gates. Tempered or frosted glass panels combined with steel or aluminum frames create a sophisticated and modern look. These gates are ideal for homes with a contemporary architectural style. Segment 6: Sustainable and Eco-Friendly Designs. Lastly, sustainability is key in 2025. Gates made from recycled materials or sustainably sourced wood are gaining popularity. These designs not only look great but also contribute to an eco-conscious lifestyle. There you have it, the top main gate design trends for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Homedecore USA for more inspiring ideas.